Hey beautiful souls, creolenaturelle here. Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieve these two simple crown braid styles using the new Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid collection, which is now available at select Walgreens, then please go ahead and keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to shampoo my hair with the minty guava and kiwi shampoo. I'm going to follow that up with the fresh mango and passion fruit mask, and I'm going to leave that on my hair for about 30 minutes and then rinse that out. So once I've rinsed that out, I'm going to follow that up with the sweet papaya and pineapple conditioner. Oh my gosh, you guys, this line smells absolutely amazing. To create my Flexi Rod Set, I'm going to first apply the Mellow Melon Nectarine Melted Shine Oil and then the Exotic Kool-Aid Luscious Lychee and Dragon Fruit Definition Jello. So I'm going to work that throughout my hair strands and then wrap my hair around the Flexi Rod Set and secure that in place. All in total, I have about 20 Flexi Rods, which I'm going to let air dry overnight. Once my hair has fully dried, I'm going to remove the Flexi Rods and then separate each curl. And once I've separated each curl, I'm going to use my Afro pick to fluff out my hair to get my desired volume. To create the crown braid style, what you want to do is take a piece of braiding hair. You can choose any braiding hair of your choice. And what I'm going to do right now is just position it at the top of my head until I get it to a position that I like. And then I'm going to secure that in place with some bobby pins. And then I'm going to add some embellishments to create look number 1. For the second look, I'm taking that same piece of braided hair and I am going to place it in front of my head. I've pushed all my curls back so that I can position that braid like it's a headband. And once I've gotten the position that I want, I'm going to again secure that in place with some bobby pins. For the back, I'm just going to pull all of my curls up towards the center of my head and secure that in place with some hairpins and fluff out the top. And that creates look number 2. Pretty simple, guys. So there you have it, 2 simple crown braid styles using the new Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid collection. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And also follow me on my Instagram, creolenaturelle. I will see you all in the next one. Until the next time, peace and light.